Welcome to Matherpiece. First thing I'm going to do is turn the sound off so you can hear me. Okay. So Matherpiece is a really fun game for kids, probably ages 6, 7, or 8, in which they have to evaluate pictures and determine the math problem that is in the pictures. So there are two options for the game: addition and subtraction, or multiplication. So let's try multiplication. Let's see what happens. Well, actually, let's do the info first. Let me read you the info. It says you're in a math museum filled with some of the greatest masterpieces of all time, painted by the likes of Pablo Multiplicasso, Factor Angelo, and many others. But no, a villain, the confounder, has broken in and switched all the titles to amuse himself. Someone needs to help. Can you? Look at all the masterpieces and figure out what the title of each is. Luckily, the artists always choose simple titles that reflected the meaning of each painting. So let's go back. Let's do multiplication. So here comes the confounder. And he's going to do something illegal. He rearranged the names of all the pictures, so it's our job to put them back together using our arrays skills. And so these are pictures of multiplication problems. So what I have to do is drag the label to the right picture. So right away I see this is 3 times 2 because there are 3 rows of 2. So I'm going to move that there. I see 10 rows of 3 here, and I see 10 times 3. It looks like I have 10 rows of 2 also. So I'm going to move this up. Here I have 5 rows of 4. So I'm looking for 5 times 4. This looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows of 3. Let's see. Also, this is 10 rows of 3 here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of 3. So I'm looking for 8 times 3. So I might have, hopefully didn't confuse anyone there. This is, let's see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows of 5 here, it would seem. Move this over here. And this could only be 10 rows of 8. And every time you play this game will be new math pictures. So these ones are randomly generated. There happen to be a lot in this gameplay that have 10 as a multiplicand or a factor. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of 5. And I think that's going to conveniently change with 7 rows of 7, 7 times 7. So this game is a great way to conceptualize multiplication for students. So now I check. If I don't get them all right, the game will indicate which I still need to look at. So let's check. I think I got them all right. Sorry, the animation is slow because I have so many windows open on my computer. It'll go faster on yours. But the confounder has been caught once again by with our math skills. And now, when I'm done, I can print out a picture of all the masterpieces. Anyway, this is a fun game. It's a quick way to help kids conceptualize addition, subtraction, or multiplication.